you. Vivek Raja asks, what is our outlook on the economy facing and slightly cyclical businesses like capital goods, building materials, and real estate? How do we think about taking some exposure to these sectors, and how important is timing in the entry and exit of cyclical business?
Timing of entry and exit is very, very important in most cyclical businesses. There are some cyclical businesses which, especially in India, if the current base is very low, they seem like non-cyclical businesses because the dip is very low and the subsequent rise is very fast, and uh, the high crosses the previous high and things like that. Uh, so we own, so for example, our auto investments are in the cyclical space. Economy is clearly on a very, very big rebound, and real estate, building materials, everything is seeing a very, very high growth in demand. Some of the spaces where we understand the business, where we are confident of the management quality and all of that, the valuations are not very attractive. The other spaces are, uh, while the demand outlook is very, very robust, we are not so sure on whether there is enough differentiation between players and things like that. So the likes of Asian Paints and Pidilites of the world are very, very well recognized and are valued as such, whereas some of the newer product categories, we are not sure whether they deserve to be in that same league, and we should invest. Real estate companies per se are seeing record sales. Here I am referring to the developers who sell apartments and office complexes and malls. They are seeing record sales, but despite that, their return on capital, return on equity ratios typically are not that great. Uh, Again, we don't know when the down cycle will come. Typically, discipline in terms of maintaining low leverage has been lacking. They end up buying some land, big land parcels and stuff like that. Even uh, companies which have said that we will focus on a asset light business model, and where we will only enter into joint ventures and joint development agreements and all, the uh, actual delivered financials are not that great. So we are watching the space. We are aware of all the positive stories that are there in terms of consolidation happening on account of RERA, the weaker players being driven out of the market, and all sorts of things. But so far, nothing compelling has been seen, and we have not deployed money.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.